It's been raining in Lincoln City for the past week. Moderate rainfall should continue today, and there are no signs of it letting up. It's expected to rain for the next 7 days. Citizens are advised to take precautions when going out and focus on doing indoor activities.
Deal with it using any means necessary. You don't need to report back to me once you're done. I'm busy today. And tomorrow. Was that Mephisto, kitten? A crow can sound that excited in the pouring rain. I suppose it is having a wonderful time celebrating in the rain. You know very well I'm a greedy man. We can do plans A, B, C, and D. When we're together, I'm never busy. But if you aren't around, then yeah, I'm busy enough as it is. I only have one wish right now, and it's hoping your plans last long enough. These records. I didn't know until you pointed it out. It's been a while since I got a chance to slow down. This. I haven't listened to it in a long time. I thought you'd take me somewhere more thrilling. Defying expectations, huh? It's a surprise, but it's what I want right now. You know me so well. The pipe organ. None of your questions are for small talk today, I assume. leave myself to you then, kitten. Despite collecting so many instruments, this is the first time I've seen how they're restored. I feel the same way when maintaining my weapons. Every detail affects whether it can unleash its full power. I imagine instruments are no different. You should be able to guess what I'm curious about right now, then.
Welcome. This lady has made a reservation for the afternoon restoration session. If you're interested, you're welcome to try it, sir. It's nothing too complex, just cleaning and tuning.
It seems I've unwittingly walked into an elaborate birthday trap. Fine. Willingly.
This pipe organ is over 100 years old. Most of its internal parts have aged, so tuning it takes good ears and precise hands.
Press this key. Keep holding it. The more intricate the structure, the more it requires balance. I'm just good at finding balance within complexity.
Precise and steady. I've never seen anyone do it this well on their first try. You've brought the soul back into this organ. Would you like to play something?
I'm guessing you didn't enter this battle unprepared. It's better than your first time. Is this my birthday gift? I thought I understood how your mind works. But when birthdays are involved, you always exceed my expectations. Are the restored instruments here available for purchase?
They're usually for displaying purposes at the exhibit.
That makes it even easier. This place can serve as a private musical instrument museum. The exhibitions and restoration work will continue. The gallery will be expanded, and you'll have access to more antique instruments. Someone will contact you in a few days. Thank you for helping us today. We had a wonderful time. I want to preserve the time you've given me. Is that a problem? If I like something and it can be bought, I don't see why I shouldn't add it to my collection. It's my birthday, so I have the final say.
Got it. I'll burn them into the chip in that order. The timing has been set too. I'll have Mephisto drop it off before midnight. The twins dropped off the boss man's motorcycle. The modded safety helmets are with it too. The chip still has some space. Do you want to throw in a voice message? Relax. I won't listen to a single word belonging to those sweet nothings. If it turns out I lied, I'll crash in my next race.
Every part of today has been full of surprises. I was expecting an ambush here. I'm starting to suspect you became a mind reader. A quiet birthday is a novel experience for me. I skipped them. Are you sad again? I'll remember that. And so will you. It's not midnight yet. Your plan is still underway. I didn't expect this. I thought this would be a quiet, relaxing celebration. I knew you wouldn't be a good little kitten. So, where are we going? I figured as much. This birthday really is full of unexpected surprises. Are you enjoying the rainy night ride? I was right. This place is practically your turf now. That's not a normal glitch. Someone's jamming the signal. To pull a stunt like this right under my nose. Honor kindness is due for another purge. Nice timing. Just so we're clear, this isn't one of your surprises. I'll admit they're boring. Even their attack patterns are stale. They should learn a thing or two from you, an expert on how to give me a real surprise. You want to split up? I'll be the distraction and deal with them. Stay safe. I'm not interested in tending to your wounds on my birthday. So we'll meet up back here when we're done? Sure. Everyone here combined doesn't compare to the surprises you give me. See you at midnight. You know very well I'm a greedy man. We can do plans A, B, C, and D. miss me already? Let's be honest, it hasn't been that long. So, this midnight promise was you being the first thing I see on my birthday. Yes, it was an unexpected birthday. However, I like it. But this feather popper... Never said I disliked it. I'm keeping it. Once it's in my pocket, it's mine. It's been a while. Are you actually searching? If I wanted to hide it, I wouldn't have it on me, obviously. I'll help you find it if you want it. It's my gift. Don't rush. Want some fireworks? My return gift. Looks like the road doesn't end. Scared. Let's keep going until we're the only ones left. If you catch a cold again, that's on me. But it'd be better if you didn't get sick on my birthday. Who knows? This place is quiet. It's perfect for hearing your blessing. As for the gift... You shouldn't have to go through the whole alphabet because of those wretches' mess, kitten. I'm sticking with Plan A. Plans worth making are the ones you see through to the end. Are you happy now? Who said I was giving it to you? I'm waiting. So, the chain of traps you set was all part of a scheme to imprison me inside my own helmet. Is this what they call innovation in the field of traps? You've surprised me yet again. Consider your mysterious gift received. I know it will surprise me, and I know I'll love it. I'd like to say something first, though. I liked everything you prepared for me today. And I liked whatever wasn't in your plan since we experienced them together. heard you say it at midnight, but I want to hear you say it again. After all, it's quiet now, and what you wanted to give me today was a moment of peace and comfort, such as right now. Who said you weren't crazy again? Yes, I am. Today. Oh, wait. It's technically yesterday. I promised you yesterday that I'd never skip a birthday again. I realized that it's not just about celebrating my birthday every year. Each birthday will be a once-in-a-lifetime moment. You need to remember that. I will as well. Always. Sit tight. We're going back to the base. You. I heard you. These sounds mean something else to me. The danger on the road is just a process. The destination always leads to the place these sounds represent. Didn't you say a birthday wish only works after the gift and blessing are received? I'm going to make my wish now. And I know you're listening. I wish you'll always be by my side. Whether it be chaotic moments or peaceful ones, you're the only one I want to experience danger and love with. For the rest of my life.